Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Patience. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I move from this dried heels to this super soft and glowy heels, guys, within just 10 minutes. And I used just 2 ingredients you already have at home. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into this video.
So the first thing I'm going to be needing for this is warm water. So I'm going to be pouring this warm water onto my bowl. You can also use a foot spa if you have that at home. I'm using using what I have to get what I want. So the water temperature is good enough for me. As you can see, I'm just testing it out. So it's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's just at the normal temperature I want it to be. So now I'm going to be adding sea salt onto this warm water. So I'm just going to be taking enough salt like so. No exact measurement, just like so, not too much. And then I'm going to be adding it onto my warm water. And the next secret ingredient is going to be this apple cider vinegar with the mother, guys. If you want to buy any apple cider vinegar, make sure it's with the mother. So I'm just shaking it together, and then I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar onto the warm water. So now I'm just going to soak my feet in for 10 minutes, but you can do 5 minutes, depend on how dried your heels are. Just be playing with your phone or reading some magazine and all that, or just be watching TV just like I'm doing. My kids are home, so I'm just here playing with them, you know. Before you know, 10 minutes is over. So I'm just going to keep it on for 10 minutes, and yeah, we shall see. And I'm not going to skip any of this. I just want you to really see the working of this apple cider vinegar with warm water and sea salt. So as you can see, I'm just doing a test proof to see if it's ready to be scrubbed. So as you can see, it's very soft now, very soft. Even my fingers can remove the dead skin, as you can see. So now I'm going to be using this scrub to scrub it around just on a circular motion. This is very good. It has a smoother side and it has a harsher side, let me say it that way. And I'm just going to keep doing this for like 1 minute or so, and we are going to see the result. So now everything is being cleaned, and now I'm going to be adding my mango whip butter onto my heels. I love this. This is my DIY mango whip with some what do you call it again, with some essential oils. So now, because apple cider vinegar has a very strong smell, so I rinse my feet, but I'm also adding some butter and some essential oil just to give it that beautiful scent, beautiful aroma. So I'm just massaging in the mango butter onto my heels, and I'm trying to massage it upward to the heart. Rub it and massage it upward just to the heart, for some circulation. So I'm going to do both like so, and we are going to see the end result, guys. So guys, this is the finished product. As you can see, my heels are quite soft and glowy, as in it's like a baby feet. As in, you can see it from here, everything is just the way it should be, just like a newborn baby. You see, within just few minutes, and I got this result, and with just 2 ingredients you already have at home. So I hope you learned from this video. And
so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more video updates, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.